Hi, I'm Tina from the Sacramento History Museum. We're here in the city cemetery today with Veterans Day right around the corner. We thought we'd talk about one of the esteemed veterans buried here in the city cemetery, a man by the name of R. Burnett Miller. Now, the Burnett family in the city of Sacramento, very famous for their lumber company here, and R. Burnett Miller, the great-great-grandson of the original owners of that particular company, is born here in 1923. In 1940s, he is enlisted in the United States Army and is over in Europe and is involved in one of the largest and most difficult battles for the Allied troops, the Battle of the Bulge. He survived that battle, came back to the United States, to Sacramento, marries and has some kids. In the 1980s, he is elected the mayor of the city of Sacramento, and at that time also is a huge proponent of history in the city of Sacramento. And he was a huge proponent of the Sacramento History Alliance and therefore also the Sacramento History Museum. They have a whole gallery just dedicated to his honor and his seeking of history and facts about history here in Sacramento. R. Burnett Miller, a friend of history, and the Sacramento History Museum, and that is what that is all about.